we're having this question to solve for a plus b given this. Okay, how can we move on? We have a plus that. Okay, we have a plus 2ab plus b is equals to 8. What you can do is to multiply both sides by 2. First of all, multiply here by 2 and here by 2. We have what? 2a plus 4ab plus 2b. So as to have all in there, making it easy to solve. Here we have 16. Okay, here we can bring out this a on this other side, like factorizing. A typical way of factorizing to have what? 2a here and 1 plus we have 2b. Okay, are you saying we take 2a here, 2a, we divide here, we have 2b. Okay, plus this one equals to 6. You see, so that why we multiply by 2 is because to have this. Else we are going to be having half, and that will be complicated to manage. That is, it's better to have this than having half. Okay, we have this one and equals to 16. But if you look here, we have 1 plus 2b. How can we make sure that we should have something like what? 2a into 1 plus 2b plus 1 plus 2b, so that this should be multiplied all through by 1, you see, by 1, so that we can just take it 2a plus 1 times 1 plus 2b. You see, how can we make sure that this should happen? By adding a 1 here, means if you add a 1 here, plus 1 here, and add plus 1 on this other side, you are going to have what? This one plus and 1 plus 2b. Okay, that will be equals to what? 17 on this other side. Okay, now we can factorize at this point. It's not forced that it should be equal to 0, so you can factorize like x plus 1 and x plus 2. No, it must not be equal to 0, so that you can do it at any point, but this one might be equal to this answer. Okay, you can just say answer here, or this one might be equal to that. Make a combination of this with that number. It's something like that. Okay, you at the point where you do this, that is the combination of this and this will give this man. Okay, that is actually what it look like, because when you have 0 0, that will give a 0. In case it's a 0, you can equate, but when it's not equals to 0, you cannot equate like x plus 1 times x plus 2 equals to 15. And on that side we have this. In this case, you can say x plus 1 is equals to 0, or x plus 2 is equal to 0. This is logical. This can be solved. But in this case, you cannot say x plus 1 is equals to 15, or x plus 2 is equals to 15. This is typically wrong. But x plus 1 and x plus 2, the multiplication of it can give 15, meaning that at this point, you can say maybe this one can be 1, this one be 15. So that 1 times 15 is equals to 15. Hence, x plus 1 equals to 1 and x plus 2 equals to 15. At this point, we can have what? X equals to 0. Something like that. This is not actually how it look like, but just take a look at it. You see, we can just say 3. This was not a question. Normal, you can just say 3, so that it should be this. You send it here, you make it something, and you send it here. That is a bit how it look like. Okay, in this case, we do the same thing. Let's erase here. Hence, you have this, and that will be equals to 17. Okay, we have this and this equals to 17. How can we have the answer? Okay, 17 can be formed by what? 17 times 1. Okay, we can say negative 1 times negative 17. We can have negative, okay, that's a true option, I think. Yeah, 17 and 1, negative and negative, because this is a positive number. That's a true option. Hence, we can say we take the first one, that 17 and 1 will be 17. Therefore, 2a plus 1 is equals to 17, and 1 plus 2b is equals to 1, which implies a is equals to 17 minus 17, 1 here, 17 minus 1 divided by 2. That will be 16 divided by 2. That will be equals to 8. And b is equals to, we bring this man here, that is 1 minus 1. We have a 0. Okay, 1 minus 1, we have a 0. And we have what? 2b is equals to 0. Okay, hence b is equals to 0. Here you can have b is equals to 0. On the other side, when it's negative 1, we take 2a by plus 1 is equals to negative 1, and 1 plus 2b is equals to negative 17. We bring this one here, that will be negative 2. Hence a is equals to negative 1, and we bring this one here, that will be 18, b, which implies b is equals to negative 18, b is equals to 18 on that, that will be negative 9. Hence a plus b is equals to what? 8, or a plus b is equals to 10, negative 10. But it's typically the two answers. Here is it.